Glassdoor is a leading platform for finding work from home jobs. To effectively use it, start by using the key filters. First, the location and remote status filter. Select remote or work from home to exclude on-site jobs. For more refined results, use fully remote versus hybrid options or specify a continent, e.g., remote in North America. Next, use the job type and salary filters to specify contract, full-time, or freelance roles, and set your desired salary range using the slider. The salary data is informed by Glassdoor's database. Then, narrow your search by company size and industry, choosing between startups and enterprises or sectors like tech and healthcare, which frequently offer remote positions. Finally, the skills and keywords filter lets you use Boolean search options to match your resume with job descriptions. The AI suggests synonyms to broaden your search, e.g., Python developer for remote data roles. Glassdoor's alert system streamlines your job search by notifying you of new opportunities matching your criteria. To set it up, create an account, apply the filters discussed earlier, and enable job alerts with your preferred frequency like daily or weekly. Customize alerts for promotions or new remote listings to minimize manual searching. Glassdoor's algorithm uses your profile and past searches to personalize recommendations, improving relevance over time. Following EU GDPR updates in 2025, data privacy enhancements such as opt-in alert settings were introduced, giving you control over data sharing with employers. Remember to manage your alerts to avoid alert fatigue, limiting them to 3 to 5 per search for optimal results.